Hey there, folks. How you doing? Kanal here. Bulls on Wall Street. Odd day in the markets. We started off kind of weak. We had an ISM number come out in the morning that I guess people didn't like, and kind of flushed the market down a little bit right off the bat. And then around noon during lunchtime, we started really bottoming out, and the market really just went on a nice run overall. If you're looking here at the S&P, you know, spiked down in the morning, kind of broke under 1400, and then boom. I mean, once we start coming out of the range, we really had a nice rip, into the close. And then in the last half hour, it looks like we were weak, but overall, that's the kind of market we've been in. These dips have just been getting bought, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. I mean, once we kind of came out of range here, I mean, the Russell was just flying. And so that kind of tells you where this market's at. People are buying it right now. And even though the charts itself, we've broken under the 20, we've kind of keep messing around with this 1400 level. For a lot of people, they could see this as a topping out type of pattern, potentially. But when I gauge the market, one of the things I always look for is I'm primarily a day trader, and so I don't do that much investing. But one of the things I'm primarily looking for is the intraday action on how the market reacts when it gets taken down and it dips. And that often will tell me, right, who's in control. And to me, even though this chart is starting to show a little bit of weakness here, as we're starting to see a lot of red candles and we're starting to see some weakness, but intraday, the bulls keep stepping up to the plate. And as long as that's happening, for me, that means that, I'm aggressively trading to the long side as I've got a little bit of bid at my back. Let's take a look at the watch list here. I've got AVEO here. This is a biotech stock. It hasn't really run up that much yet. Look for a break over 10. This thing could get going. BPAX. I like this one. It's going to need to get over this 50-day moving average. Big volume pop today. Let's see if it can continue tomorrow. NTE still on watch for a short. I've been trying to time these things a little bit, and these suckers are strong. So you got to be really perfect with your entries here. But I still got it on watch. CTRP, right? We had that nice run to 18. We've pulled back to the 20-day. We had a bounce day today. This will be on watch tomorrow for potential continuation. ES. Right, big move, been flagging now for nearly a month. I really like the look of this one. ZLC still on watch for a short. I got nailed on this trying to short this earlier today, but I don't learn so quick, so I'll try it one more time tomorrow. If we get a gap up, right, a strength in the morning, kind of hit that parabolic, or we'll wait for some type of crack. But the dips have been getting bought in the stocks. It's been tricky to short. If you try to short it low, that's where you get burned, it seems. T, looking for a break over 12 here. It's one of the last stocks I could find on a bottom. We'll see if somebody picks this thing up. Pizza's been flagging here. Broke over 350 today. I think that this one's got a little bit more in it. WaveX, I like this one. It's a little bit thinner, but this $1 range seems like, we've got a nice flag forming here. This could be one of those kind of low flow poppers that just runs out of nowhere. EXH, 18 support. We're flagging here. Looks pretty good, especially oil's been weak the last, couple days. So if we can get a pop in oil, this one could go. PCS. I've been watching this one for a while, man. It's holding this 950 really hard. So if we break under this, I actually might take this for a short as we be breaking the 20-day moving average and support. But this also could break out again. So we can play this both ways. Genome looks like it's got more in it also, right? We've got a nice flag pattern right over that 200-day moving average. CHTP key break today. We'll keep this on watch for continuation tomorrow. Kirk's another bio that's just been sitting around here on a base. If it can come out of range, we might have some juice in it. P's been holding up here, right? Held the gap, been flagging. I think we got another push coming in this bad boy. MTSL just consolidating, low volume consolidation. I think another couple days, this one's going to probably pop pretty big. And then WZ, this is a pure Momo stock, and we're right at the sweet spot on this bad boy.